allows you to clean even larger areas. You get the rectangle pocket for tackling everyday messes, and the triangle pocket for use around toilets or other hard-to-reach places. Plus, you get durable, heavy-duty construction and an extra-large water tank for extended cleaning. And you never throw away our microfiber pockets. You just throw them in the wash so you can use them again and again. Think of the money you'll save.
Tell the camera why you're not sleeping at 5:57, Davon. Tell the camera. Come on, baby, tell them. Tell them that mommy's so tired and you will not let me sleep. Yeah. Uh-huh. You telling them, ain't you? Uh-huh. Wide awake at 5:58 a.m. Okay, say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. I gotta send this to Daddy. Say bye. Say hi, Daddy. Say hi.